This tiny hole is far hotter than you think, because when workers throw massive pieces of wood into it, they're actually feeding a giant underground furnace that burns continuously at temperatures above 1,000 degrees. And this furnace creates something incredibly simple that you see almost every day. Before the fire is lit, workers carefully cut thousands of raw clay blocks and stack them inside long trenches in special patterns. The arrangement allows heat to spread slowly and evenly, transforming soft clay into hardened bricks, the same bricks used to build houses around the world.